Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this advanced Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can allow input only certain cells. Okay, now take a look at here. I have a open workbook and I want to input data to only these cells. Okay, from A1 to E5 and all the other cell I want it to be locked. To do that, I'm going to right click here and click on format cells and click on protection and check mark lock, and I'm going to uncheck it and click OK. And now I'm going to click on review and click on protect sheet, and I'm going to set a password and click. So now what I have done here, I have given Microsoft Excel permission to enter data to only these cells and all the other cells have been locked. Okay, let's check this out. So first, write in the cell A1, I can write it, and cell E5. So A1 and E5, I can write them. Okay, so if I click on F1, I can't write it, and Microsoft Excel will give me a notice which is the cell or chart you are trying to change is on a protected sheet. To make changes and protect the sheet, you might be requested to enter the password. We simply done is unlock certain cells so we can add value or we can enter data between those cells, but except those specific cells, all the worksheet has been locked, password protected. Okay, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you. Subscribe the channel. Please use this link for future videos, and Excel 10 tutorial is producing daily problem solving videos, so you should subscribe it. Support the channel using this link. This channel is completely free forever, so please support the channel using this link and check out these other videos and playlist for more awesome Excel tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching. This is Kazi signing out from Excel 10 tutorial.